Get ready to embrace a glowing, radiant complexion with the ultimate dermaplaning experience. The highly sought-after U.S. Dermaplaner, a game-changer for those with thick facial hair, has finally made its way to the UK, and it's causing quite a stir. But here's the real question. Is it worth the hype? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind this revolutionary beauty tool. The rise of dermaplaning, a skin-transforming journey. Dermaplaning, a technique that involves removing peach fuzz and dead skin cells with a scalpel, has taken the beauty world by storm. Once a luxury salon treatment, it has now become an accessible home practice thanks to the evolving dermaplaning tools market. According to Transparency Market Research, this market is projected to grow exponentially, reaching a whopping £919 million by 2034. With such a booming industry, it's no wonder innovative brands like Nimbi are leading the charge. Nimbi, revolutionizing dermaplaning. Nimbi, an elite dermaplaner brand, has finally made its exclusive UK debut after years of US dominance. Their dermaplaners, selling a product every second in the US, have become a sensation, and their first UK drop sold out in under 10 hours. So, what makes Nimbi so special? The Nimbi Dermaplaner is crafted from a unique, toxic-free, compostable biomaterial, a groundbreaking combination of waste wood pulp cellulose, clay, and pine oil. This innovative material ensures the tool fully degrades within 308 days, even in marine environments, making it an eco-conscious choice. Unveiling the benefits of dermaplaning. But what exactly does dermaplaning do for your skin? Well, it's like giving your face a fresh start. By shaving away peach fuzz, fine hair, and dead skin cells, dermaplaning transforms your skin into a clean, optimized canvas. This process not only boosts cell turnover and refines texture, but also promotes elasticity and evens out skin tone. Regular dermaplaning can even fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation, creating a flawless base for your makeup. Mastering the Nimbi Dermaplaner. Using the Nimbi Dermaplaner is a breeze. Simply apply a lightweight serum, gel cleanser, or facial oil to the area you want to shave, ensuring your skin stays moist. Hold the dermaplaner at a 45-degree angle and glide it downward in short, precise strokes, following the natural hair growth direction. Avoid using it on active acne or irritated skin to prevent further irritation. For optimal results, Nimbi experts recommend repeating the process every 3 to 4 weeks, allowing your skin's natural renewal cycle to work its magic. The Nimbi Dermaplaner is available in a pack of 3 for £7.99, offering beige, white, and black tools. The brand also sells disposable razor packs in beige and black for £6.99, providing a convenient and precise hair removal solution. Key features: precise blade for gentle skin shaving, with a double-guarded edge for protection against nicks and cuts. Dermatologist-tested for effective facial hair removal and even exfoliation. 6 incredible skin benefits, including hair removal, dead cell removal, debris release, oil buildup reduction, and improved skin texture and tone. Suitable for precision hair removal, such as eyebrow shaping and upper lip hair removal. Clinical trials and user reviews. A testimonial extravaganza. Clinical trials of the Nimbi Dermaplaner have been nothing short of impressive. A whopping 97% of users strongly agreed that it made their skin smooth, and 93% praised its performance. Even better, 97% of users in the Nimbi clinical trial reported no discomfort after 2 days of use, a common gripe with other dermaplaners. The reviews are in, and they're glowing. Users with thick facial hair rave about the Nimbi Dermaplaner's precision and effectiveness. One satisfied customer shared, "I'm impressed by how easy and effective it is. The blades are sharp, yet gentle, and my skin feels softer and more luminous afterward." Another user with sensitive skin commented, "I was nervous, but the Nimbi Dermaplaner's safety cover and comfortable design made it a breeze. My skin feels incredibly soft and smooth." So, are you ready to give the Nimbi Dermaplaner a try? Embrace the glow and unlock your skin's true potential. But here's where it gets controversial. Do you think at-home dermaplaning is a safe and effective practice? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a discussion.